Hello and welcome to another edition of Tendency Chart of the Week. This time I'm going to speak to you about something that has been making the news cycles for quite a while, and that is the sale of Russian oil. We all know that oil prices, gas prices have risen quite sharply all over the world, and not just in the US, but global phenomenon has been observed when it comes to the increase in gas and oil prices. This chart is going to focus on what is the support for action looking like as far as the Americans' opinion goes for both the EU as well as the US in blocking the sale of Russian oil. So if you look at the chart at the bottom right, we do find that the support for US action should be higher is just about 30%, while the support for EU action should be higher is also just about 30%. And 40% of the people think that both parties, that is the EU and the US, should strongly oppose the sale of Russian oil. Focusing on the chart on the top, which is the breakdown of this overall support, again, it's quite evenly split, clearly showing that Americans don't want the onus of this to be entirely on just the US or just on the EU. They want it to be equally split, and clearly just about 15% of the people have a very low support for this action, while 52% of the people think that both the EU and the US should take the responsibility and take the lead in blocking the sale of Russian oil. Clearly, this data is showing that people are not at all happy with what is going on as far as the conflict is concerned, and if Russia's presence as far as the energy security of the world is concerned should now be much reduced after the actions have been taken on their side. So we know that all of this is pointing clearly towards the direction of better energy security, better energy efficiency, and better use of renewable sources of energy rather than just relying on oil and gas. So this was a very interesting look at how the Americans feel about the sale of Russian oil. To wrap things up, or I should say to summarize, Americans strongly feel that both the EU and the US should lead the way to block the sale of Russian oil going forward, and in fact starting now. And we know that a lot of talks are going on between diplomats all over the world. So definitely the Americans are quite clearly on top of what they feel like, and this data is indicating just that. So thank you for watching, and just like every time, do get in touch if you want to collaborate with us, and do check us out on trendancy.com. Thank you.